is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to another fast food fight. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like their retail products, whilst reducing the cost. Imagine thick, juicy New York cut steak with fries and creamy, dreamy mushroom sauce. You think for the price that something green had hit the plate. When you're done fingering me button, if you can reach around and ring me bell too, that'd be great. To be honest, I don't really care, I'm a vegetarian, and it was fast and well worth the money. Speaking of fast, the Ninja Foot gym wear is great for kicking it when you want to blend in and go unnoticed. As you're probably all aware, everything is better in bulk, so I'm cooking 4 of these and adding some green stuff because I think it needed it. I'm using my George Foreman grill for these and using the drippings. For the mushroom sauce, I'm using Swiss brown and white button mushrooms along with some double heavy cream and white vinegar. Melt some butter in a pan, slice some mushrooms and place them inside. Allow them to shrink a little bit, so you want to be cooking at a medium-low heat. Once the mushrooms are reduced, add your white wine vinegar. After several minutes, once it's fully reduced, add some of your heavy cream. Stir through. Once all the steaks are cooked, place them in a finishing butter. Start cooking your chips. Make some salad if you wanna. Add some whole grain mustard to your sauce serving container. I'm zazzing mine up with some Dijon mustard too. Now pour in your mushroom sauce. Season and serve. Came in at under half price. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.